Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's go ahead and look at Yield Guild games. Tokens have had a very wonderful run as of lately, and it seems like the whole market wants to take a little retracement now. Anyways, one thing that would really help out the channel, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Anyways, let's get into the TA here for Yield Guild Gamings, because we are in this for the TA. Anyways, you can see we do on the weekly have this downward resistance that we might actually try to test. We do have a separate one here that we technically broke out of, and we had our support levels here. Jeez, this chart on the weekly looks god awful. I'm not even gonna lie. However, there is something you need to keep in mind is our resistance levels. Resistance support levels, there you go. And then if you happen to break above that, you'd actually be looking to get all the way up there. And even better so would be up here. These are our macro levels that we need to look at currently. And this is mainly for the short term, because, you know, everything long term we don't understand how the economy is going to be. Anyways, we can see on the daily our stochastic RSI is dropping. However, our relative strength index is right in the middle, kind of a coin flip on where you're going to go. You can see this wonderful falling wedge pattern that you did break out of. Now it looks like you pulled back slightly. Let's see what our measured move from this breakout was. So measured move from the breakout, you're looking at a 533% gain. I'm pretty sure anybody wouldn't even notice it on the chart, considering this is the daily. 500%. You got a long way to go. So that is one of the benefits out of getting into these small S coins. The upside potential is absolutely massive. Anyways, on the daily, it does look like you are running into a little bit of resistance. You could be trying to have a bit of a retracement, and if that is the case, you are looking at, looks like we made the retracement. Wow. So we actually hit the golden zone, common retrace zone. We came a little below the 50% and noted don't get complacent over the move that this thing made, considering percentage wise from bottom to top, 76%. It's pretty quick, pretty good. Anyways, does look like we are trying to push up a little bit on the daily. Let's go ahead and drop down to the 4 hour. Our 4 hour is going to give us a little bit more information. 4 hour stochastic is getting a little high for my liking, but you could possibly try and hit our top again. But if me personally, if I was trading this, I would wait for a confirmed breakout, because you are right at resistance and it does look like you are pulling back from there. We do have a slight falling wedge situation, so we have to see if this will hold or not. It's going to depend on Bitcoin, to be honest. But let's go ahead and go to the 1 hour. 1 hour, we are stochastics way too high to even think about taking a long. So we would look for that retracement. You could possibly see a 10% retracement. And down here, or even at this level where all the accumulation happened, that's where I would feel a lot more comfortable jumping into a long. But once again, if you're a long-term holder of this particular asset, then that's kind of up to you on if you wanted to hold it right now. I mean, it does look like you could be forming a little cup and handle situation. So once you get a confirmation breaking the neckline, because it does look like your neckline is all the way up here. So let's go ahead and mark that out. So your confirmation, once you break this level at 28 cents, then you do have a much better measured move from bottom to top. Let me make sure I actually got the bottom with that. Okay, from bottom to top, that would be your move. Come up here. And note, that's upon not only a breakout, but you want to wait for that back test. then you could see another 48 or 43% rise. So that's what I'm seeing out of YGG Yield Games. Hopefully this helps you out, but I would definitely wait for either a breakout and back test or hitting this lower trend line and seeing if it holds before I would feel comfortable getting into a trade on this particular asset. Anyways, none of this is financial advice. This is just what I see in the charts and what I think could happen. Anyways, you're going to make your own choice, do your own research, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you happen to enjoy the short, concise TA videos. Anyways, take it easy. I'll catch you later.